Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we eat our garden eggs with granules or osoji or okwoji, but today we're not eating this. We are making stew or sauce with it. Yes, this is my garden egg stew or garden egg sauce, and you can enjoy this with boiled yam or boiled plantain or even rice. Yes, so let me show you how I made this. Here I have my 500 naira worth of garden egg, and I have these two big ones in it, the two big ones and the smaller one. So I'm going to use this for making our garden egg sauce, and I'll be adding it some fresh tomatoes and peppers, and we're going to be pairing this garden egg sauce with yam. Yep. So what we're going to do now is to prepare all this. I'm going to peel the yam, also wash the garden egg, and then we start cooking. I've peeled and sliced the yam. The yam is in the pot. I also have some sliced onions in it. A trick I learned or hack I learned from a friend and neighbor. Yes, he said for old yam like this, if you put it onions, it softens it and make it sweeter. And here I have my garden eggs, which I've also washed very well. So I'm going to cut it into some slices and add to the pot of yam. They are going to boil together. When the garden egg cooks, becomes soft, I'll take it out and then we continue from there. I will take it out and pound.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze.
After about 7 to 10 minutes, the garden egg is cooked and soft, so we'll take it out from the pot.
Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly.
And here we have it. I also added some of the onions. I'll go and pound this while I cover back the pot for the yam to cook very well. If you have food processor, you can use the food processor to crush or process this well, but blender will blend it very smooth, and you will not want a very smooth blend. It is time to fry our garden egg sauce. So into my cooking pot, I'll go in with about 2 cooking spoons of palm oil. Allow it to dissolve or heat up a bit. Then I'll go in with some chopped or sliced onions. I'll fry this for about a minute or two before going in with my sliced tomatoes. Sorry, I added the tomatoes. I didn't know my camera was not on. So I've already added the sliced tomatoes. I just sliced the tomatoes and added into the fried oil and onions.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
Next, I added about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and also some pieces of cooked cow skin.
Every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams.
Salt to taste and seasoning cubes. I'm using 2 Knorr cubes. Then I'll stir very well, cover it and allow to fry and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes.
Cooking life's most tender themes.
5 minutes later, it is time to add in our garden eggs. But before that, I had to stir it again. Added little meat stock that I have in my fridge. Stirred it again to test for salt and everything. Very delicious. I tested it again. Good. Then it is time to go in with the star of the day, which is our pounded garden eggs. Make sure to add everything, then stir it very well. Stir and mix this very well. After stirring it, I'll cover it again to cook one more time for about 5 minutes.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like.
And voila, our garden egg sauce is ready. Don't mind the smoke covering everywhere. Maybe he wants to turn it to smoky garden egg sauce. Look at that deliciousness. Look at it. So we'll put off our gas and remember our yam. The boiled yam is also ready. All that is left now is to serve and enjoy this. You can pair this with boiled yam, boiled plantain, fried plantain, even roasted yam or roasted plantain. And some do enjoy it with rice also, but we are enjoying this with boiled yam. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Treasure kitchen where joy is found.